Okay, so let's proceed to the steady state error in terms of the forward transfer function. So kanina, steady state error pagka ang given is the closed loop transfer function T of S. So pagka given naman is forward transfer function, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. No? Okay, by the way, ano ba yung difference ng forward transfer function sa closed loop transfer function? So, ito. So, basically, forward transfer function from the word itself, ito yung transfer function na makikita nyo sa forward path. Ito, as you can recall, doon sa lecture natin sa, I think, yung reduction of block diagram ata, no? Nabanggit ko ata doon yung forward path. So, yung forward path, laging nag-start yun sa input, papunta dun sa output. So, any transfer function, no, dapat, of course, dapat simplified, no? Na makikita nyo doon sa forward path, that is a forward transfer function. So, in this case, yung forward transfer function natin is 120 s plus 2 over s plus 3 s plus 4. So, ano naman yung closed loop transfer function or yung T of S? So, yung closed loop transfer function, from the word itself, ito yung transfer function sa closed loop. Ibig sabihin, kailangan yung i-simplify, no, or i-reduce nyo sa isang transfer function lang yung buong block diagram ng control system. So, in this case, or in this example, kailangan nyo muna itong i-simplify. No? Yan, I think gagamit kayo dito ng feedback formula or negative feedback formula para ma-simplify nyo into one transfer function. Yun yung magiging closed loop transfer function natin. Okay? So, I hope na-gets yung difference ng closed loop transfer function sa forward transfer function. Okay? So, sige. Ito yung formula na gagamitin natin for steady state error in terms of forward transfer function. So, limit as s approaches infinity, s r of s over 1 plus g of s. Okay? Side note, kailangan yung g of s natin ulit is stable. Okay? Para magamit natin or para makuha natin yung steady state error. Sige. Punta tayo dun sa problem. Okay. Find the steady state errors for the input of 5u of t, 5t of t, and 5t squared u of t to the system shown in the figure. The u of t is the unit step function. Okay. So, formula natin, e of infinity limit as s approaches 0, s r of s 1 plus g of s. So, doon muna tayo sa unang input, r of t. So, number 1, r of t equals 5u of t, which is a step unit, or step input, sorry. Okay? So, r of s plus transform 5 over s. So, yung error natin is limit s approaches 0, s 5 over s 1 plus 120, s plus 2, s plus 3, s plus 4. Okay, tama ba? And then, cancel. 5 over s plus 3, s plus 4 plus 120, s plus 2, and then s plus 3, s plus 4. No? Okay, so algebra lang yan. Okay, so pagka sinubstitute natin yung s equals 0, so magiging makakancel to, and then makakancel to. So, compute natin. So, sa taas, 5 times 3 times 4, 60. Then, sa baba is 12 plus 240. 3 times 4 plus 120 times 2, 252. So, magiging sagot natin dito is 60 divided by 252, which is 5 over 21. R of t equals 5tu of t. So, r of s equals 5 over s squared. Okay, so ganun pa rin. E infinity equals limit as s approaches 0. S 5 over s squared 1 plus g of s 120, s plus 2, s plus 3, s plus 4. So, magiging s na lang to. And then, simplify natin. 5 over s. Tama ba? I think tama naman. 120 s plus 2, s plus 3, s plus 4. Yan. So, evaluate natin. 0. I think magiging 0 yung denominator kasi ito ay magiging 0, makakancel. Ito ay magiging 0. So, itong buong to is magiging 0. So, 5 over 0 which is equals to infinity. Ito yung magiging sagot natin. Or ito yung steady state error natin for the ramp input. So, ito ay ramp. Ramp input. Yan. Okay. So, last for the I think 5t squared u of t which is a parabolic input. Parabolic input. So, limit s approaches to 0. S Laplace transform ito is 5 over s cube. So, s 5 over s cube 1 plus 120 s plus 2, s plus 3, s plus 4. So, makakancel s squared. Limit s approaches to 0, 5 over s squared plus 120 s squared, s plus 2, s plus 3, s plus 4. So, I think magiging 5 over infinity din to, no? Or sorry, 5 over 0 pala. Kasi ito ay magiging 0, ito ay magiging 0. So, yung buong expression or fraction or rational expression natin is magiging 5 over 0 which is infinity. So, ito yung steady state error natin for the parabolic input. So, yan. So, madali lang, no?